Hello guys, welcome to Say Schedule Lessons. Please, after watching this video on revision, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share these videos. You can share these video links with your friends, schoolmates, classmates. Please just try to share so that we can grow our channel together for the benefit of the future generation. So let's focus on this revision on factorization and how to find the highest common factor and also the LCM under the concept of factorization. Please, after watching, don't forget to subscribe, right? Let's consider the first question we are given. All right, as you are given, question 2a, factorize item 1, x squared plus 2x minus 3, right? Item 2, x squared minus 1. Then, hence, write down the HCF and LCM of x squared plus 2x minus 3 and x squared minus 1. Hence, just simply means use the solution from above, right? For an item, then question 2b, for expressions 12m cubed n squared and 18m squared n cubed, find HCF. Then item 2, LCM. So let's see how to factorize and also how to find HCF and LCM from these given conditions, right? Let's consider the first part, which is question 2a, item 1, right? We're asked to factorize. Right? Right. Just remember, the coefficient of x squared, the coefficient of x squared is 1. So whenever the coefficient of x squared is positive 1, meaning that your factors are your solutions, right? Your factors are your solution just because the coefficient of x squared is positive 1. So what you have to do is we have to multiply x squared times negative 3 to get negative 3x squared. Remember, we want to find what you call the product of factor, right? X squared times negative 3 to get a negative 3x squared. Then the value between is what you call the sum of factor, which is positive 2. So we want to find the factors of negative 3. If you add or subtract them, they will give us a plus 2. So remember, the factors are 3 minus 1, right? 3 minus 1 to get 2, right? If you multiply 3 times minus 1 to get minus 3. So our factors is plus 3 minus 1. So it's simple factorization just because the coefficient of x squared is positive 1. No need to proceed, or no need to take a long way in order to factorize this one. We are done, right? Let's consider item 2. We have x squared, right? So this question, x squared minus 1, fall under the topic what you call difference of two squares, the factorization of difference of two squares. So whenever you ask to factorize questions involving difference of two squares, what you have to do is just note that you have to say the square root of x squared is x, then say plus or minus since the difference of two squares, meaning that the other factor will take a positive, other one will take a negative. So just say square root of x squared is x, right? Square root of 1 is 1, so plus or minus 1. So separating the variable, the first one will take x plus 1 and the second one will take a negative value, right? So let's just substitute these values, plus 1, negative 1, right? We are done with the factorization of question 2a item 1 and also question 2a item 2, right? Let's move on to the hence part. Remember, hence just simply means use the solution from above. We are using this solution from above to find what you call the highest common factor, right? HCF. Let's start with the HCF, right? Highest common factor just means that we are taking the factors which are common in item 1 and item 2. Remember, 1 to hence write down the highest common factor of x squared plus 2x minus 3 and x squared minus. These given two expressions are found here, 2a item 1 and item 2, right? So we want to find the factor which is common in 2a item 1 and 2a item 2. This becomes our highest common factor, right? So which one is common, right? Here we have x plus 3. X plus 3 is common in a item 1, right? But it's not common in item 2. So meaning that we are neglecting it, right? Let's consider x minus 1. X minus 1 appears in a 2a item 1 and also it appears in 2a item 2, meaning that it is common. So meaning that our highest common factor becomes x minus 1. Just simply means we have to take what is common in 2a item 1 and also item 2 to find the highest common factor. Let's consider the lowest common multiple. Let's consider the lowest common multiple. Under lowest common multiple, we are taking everything, but we are not repeating what you have written or what you have written already, right? Let's first take what is common. What is common is x minus 1, right? What is common is x minus 1. Okay. Then, so meaning that we have written this x minus 1. Okay. Then also we have also some siblings with x plus 1. Then also we have x plus 3. So this becomes our lowest common multiple from this given question, right? This is the best way to factorize, and also best way to find the highest common factor, and also finding the lowest common multiple under the concept of factorization. We are done with item 1 and item 2. Let's consider a question 2b, right? Let's consider question 2b. Please, after watching, don't forget to subscribe, right? Let's consider the next question is question 2b. Considering question 2b, right? All right. We are given for the expressions, we are given 12m cubed n squared, right? And 18 m squared n cubed. All right. Remember, we want to find the highest common factor and also find the lowest common multiple. Remember, we have many ways to kill a cat, right? For this one, we want to find the highest common factor, right? Then also want to find the lowest common multiple. First of all, what we have to do is we have to express 12 as a product of its prime factors, and also express 18 as a product of its prime factors, right? Then you can multiply, then checking what is common to find the highest common factor, and so use the same method to find the lowest common multiple, or else we can use this simple method. First of all, let's find the factors of 12. The factors of 12 becomes 2 times 2 to give us 4 times 3. So these are the factors of 12, right? Factors of 18, we have 2 times, right? 2 times, if you say 2 times 2 to get 4, so 2 times 3, which is 6, 6 times 3, which is 18. So the factors of 18 are 2 times 3, which is 2 times 3, which is 6, 6 times 3, 18, right? Remember, I want to find the highest common factor first, right? What is common here? What is common? We have 2, right? Multiplied by, what is the other value which is common? We have taken this one, which is common, and also we have this 3, which is common, all right, times 3, which is equals to 6. So from the numbers, the highest common factor is 6. Simply means just multiply the numbers which are common between 8, 12, and 18. But you want to find the highest common factor of this given letters. We want to find the highest common factor. So whenever you want to find the highest common factor, don't take a long way to multiply m times m times m times n times n times n times m times m. It will be a long way. For you to find the highest common factor of, let's consider the first letter, which is m, right? So whenever you want to find the highest common factor of the given letters, highest common factor, you just take the value, or just take the letter which is common but with lowest power. For highest common factor, just take the first value, the first letter which is common. The first letter which is common is 18. But we take the one with the lowest power. We have m to the power 3, m to the power 2. So m to the power 2 is the lowest power. So we say m squared, right? Then let's consider n. Then also we take n with the lowest power, which is n squared. This one becomes our highest common factor. This one becomes our highest common factor. Let's consider the lowest common multiple and see the differences. We have to either get the difference from the lowest common multiple, right? For lowest common multiple, we have to take what is common first, which is 2 times 3. Then, whenever we are dealing with the lowest common multiple, we are taking everything, but we are not repeating what we have written already, right? But we have 2 times 3, which is common. Then also we have some siblings, which is times 2 here, this one, times 3 here, this one. This becomes 2 times 3 to get 6, all right? 2 times 3, 2 times 3 to get 6, 6 times 3 to get 18 times 2, 36. We get 36, all right? Then whenever we are working with the lowest common multiple, whenever we want to find the lowest common multiple, just take the first letter which is common, but with the highest power. Just mean for lowest common multiple, the first letter which is highest power, which is m to the power 3, right? Remember, m to the power 2 is for highest common factor, m power 3 is for lowest common multiple. Then we have the other one, which is n to the power 3, considering with the highest power. So this is how to find the lowest common multiple, and also the highest common factor, and also this is how to simple factorize the quadratic expression, then also factorization of difference of two squares. Please, I beg you, please don't forget to subscribe whenever you manage to reach this channel. It's your blessing to do this revision together so that you can catch up on the concept. We have no clue, or the concept you have no idea on how to work them, right? Just subscribe so that you continue enjoying more videos throughout my channel. Also share the link, also share the videos with your friends. Thank you so much. Enjoy the videos.